Trucks carrying oil seeds arrive at the refinery. The factory is large and modern, designed for safe food production. Each truck is placed on a weighbridge to record its weight. Samples are taken from the seeds for quality testing. The samples are sent to the laboratory. Experts check moisture, oil content, and purity. Only high-quality seeds are approved for processing. The approved seeds are unloaded into large receiving hoppers. The seeds move toward the cleaning section. Vibrating screens remove stones, dust, and dirt. Magnetic separators remove small metal particles. Air systems remove light impurities from the seeds. Clean seeds enter cracking machines. The machines break the outer shells of the seeds. The husks are separated from the kernels. The kernels move to flaking mills. The kernels are pressed into thin flakes. The flakes enter large cooking machines. Heat softens the flakes and prepares them for extraction. The heated flakes move to screw press machines. Strong pressure squeezes crude oil from the flakes. Crude oil flows into collection tanks. The remaining solid meal moves out separately. In large plants, solvent extraction removes more oil. A food-grade solvent washes through the flakes. The oil and solvent mixture is separated. The solvent is recovered and reused. The crude oil is sent to the refining section. The oil is heated in large refining tanks. Water or mild acid is added for degumming. Centrifuges spin the oil to remove gums. The oil moves to the neutralization stage. An alkaline solution removes free fatty acids. Soap stock is separated from the oil. The oil is washed with warm water. Vacuum drying removes moisture. The oil enters the bleaching stage. Bleaching earth removes color pigments. Filtration systems remove bleaching materials. The oil becomes lighter and clearer. The oil enters the deodorization tower. Heat and steam remove unwanted smells. The oil becomes neutral in taste and odor. Final filtration ensures extra purity. Heat exchangers cool the oil slowly. Quality control tests the refined oil again. All process data is recorded digitally. Operators monitor systems in the control room. Automatic filling machines fill bottles with oil. Caps are placed and sealed tightly. Inspection systems check fill levels and seals. Bottles are packed into cartons. Cartons are stacked on pallets for shipment.